Guys, you are welcome to the Smart Concept. My name is Kyle, and I'll be taking you through another very important app. This is a particular app we use for graphic design. So you can make logo, banners, flyers, posters. Just think of anything graphic. You can use this particular app. It is called Canva. It is called Canva. Anytime I want to make simple but very cute app, I usually use this particular app. So I'm just going to walk you through some of the features that it has. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the app. Okay, click on the app after you have downloaded it. Just click on the app and it's going to boot up until it takes you to this place. So this place is where we have the template. So the first thing you need to do is to select the template that you are going to be using. Okay, and that template depends on the kind of job you want to do. So if it's a flyer, you have a template for flyer. Instagram post, you have a template for it. Social media, logo, food, poster, book cover, any type of job you want to do, there's always a template for it. So let's take note of that. Okay, for logo, this is the design you are going to have. These are all various forms of logo design, that templates that you can actually edit, but I am not interested in those ones. So let me go back. I'm going to go back to, okay, let me click on home. Let it take me back to this place. So let's say we want to prepare a flyer. A flyer, is it a landscape flyer or a portrait? You have to pick, and there are templates to pick from here for flyers, but I am not going to be doing that. I want you to know how to design from scratch. So if I click on this flyer, then it's going to take me to another page where you will now have to click either to use any of the already made templates or a blank one where you have to start your work from scratch. Okay, so let's see. So I'm clicking, I want to start from scratch. I'm clicking the blank page. All right. When you do so, it's going to give you your workspace where you now have to work from. So what I will do is to introduce you to all the various tools that we are going to be using, and after which you are going to prepare for me a simple flyer of a training, let's say graphic design training, like this one. You are going to put the time, the date, and everything that you will need to invite people for that training, and it has to be catchy and attractive. So we are waiting for the network for this to boot up on network, so that we can start showing you some of these tools that you are going to be using. So we have quite a lot of tools there. We have text, and for text you can have the style, the font size. You have the text formatting if you want to make it bold, italic, or you want to underline it. You also have color. You have shapes. If you want to use shape, you can do that. Okay, you have different things there. Okay, now let's say anytime we want to come to this side where we have template, element, uploads, text, and rest of them, we normally click the plus button. But since this one has taken me here directly, I will just see what I can do. Now let me start with a text. So I will look for text. I think a text is here. So I'll click on text. Then when I click on text, it's going to give me the different font and style that I can pick from. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a format that is suitable for me, and then I will go and use it. Okay, so boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. It's trying to load. Now, while it is loading, let me take you through what we have here. We have template, and that is you can pick from the already made template here. Then we have element. Element, that's where we have shapes. You can pick any shapes that you like. Then you have upload. Upload means you want to take maybe a picture or something, not from here, but from your own gallery. So you can do that. Then you have text. Okay, if you want to type, then you have. So we're looking at the text. Okay, so I'll click on this, add the heading, the thick one, and then see what I can type. Okay, let's say I want to type something like I'll click on it. Let's say I want to type DigiSmart. Okay, I'll type the name of my brand there, DigiSmart Concept. DigiSmart Concept. Okay, so after that, I will say, what else can I do? Okay, with this, I can move this up a little. And a little, okay. I can reduce the size. I can change the font. So let me say I want to reduce the font size to something smaller. So, okay, let's say, so this is too big. Something small. That's too small. Okay, something like this. Oh no, that's a bit on the high side. Something a little small like this. Okay, so I'm okay with this. Then I can pick on the first font style of my choice. Font style of my choice. I think I prefer this Liber Baskerville. So I will apply it there. And after I'm done with that, I can I can get a logo attached to it. All right. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Let me go and apply. Let me apply formatting. Let me try and bolden this. Okay, that's okay. I can also italize on the line. I can align to center, to the left, to the right. I can bullet it, I can number it, anyone. So you have all of that here. Okay. After that, I can also change the color if I so desire. Okay, maybe I don't like this. I can give it something like this. If that is okay, you use it and then you move on. Then I will go and get a logo that I'll put by the left. Okay, so I click on plus, and then it will take me to where I have the logo. For me to have logo, I need to upload, so I click on upload, and from the upload, I will get images that I've already put here. Yeah, but if I don't have any here, I will have to click on this upload media. This upload media bar will take you to a gallery where you can pick your logo, but I think I have the logo here that I can use. I can use this. Okay, so I will just resize it to my taste, and then I'll move it. Okay, move it. Moving a small or something like this is always very, very okay. I can undo with this arrow here. So what I can also do is that, okay, let me try and move this one here. Okay, then I can resize that one a little. what number is here? Having 50. Let me change it to 45. So I'll just change to 45. 4 5. No, 4 5. Let's see. Okay, so let me now move it here and see how it looks like. Okay, something like this. I can move. Let me move it a little here to the left. All right. Let's see. Oh, that's too much. Okay, something like this. All right. So with this now, I can now say, okay, whatever I want to use, I can use it now. Let me take. I think I don't like this. I don't like this color, so I can give it a color that I want. Maybe the background, I don't want it. I can choose the color that I want, and then I will apply it. Let's say I'm using a yellow color. You see that? So I can give it this. Then when I am done, I can also decide to also look at some other things I can do. Okay, let me try and use the elements, the shapes, to do something there. Okay. Element. Okay. So I'll pick element. Now there is a particular circle that I normally use anytime I want to put a picture or an image inside a circle. It's a special circle that I normally use. So I'm going to be showing you that later. But let's see. Okay, let's have. I think I'll be using a triangle. Let me use a triangle to demarcate and then see what I can do with the rest. Okay. Where is it? 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 Where I hold the circle and the shapes. It's the button. It's the button. Oh, okay. So let me say I want to use. Okay, let's say I want to use this triangle. I'll click on it. When I click on this triangle, it takes it here. I don't want that color. I want white, so I will change the color here. Click on the color and change it to the color that I want. I want white. So I can amplify it. Close the color and then amplify this. Amplify. I will just stretch it. Keep stretching it. Stretch. I'll move it to the side. Stretch. Move it to the side. Stretch. Okay, move to the side again. Stretch again. Keep stretching. And then I can move it to this side. Something like this. I've gotten a particular style that I want. You see? Something like this. It's beautiful. Okay. Then I can decide to do whatever I want to do on this one. Just type all the information that you need. You have it there and then you have it. Okay, let's say I want to put an hero image because every design must have an hero image. The hero image gives an idea of what that design is about. So let me look for an hero image here. So I click on this. You can get an hero image from your Google. Just Google what you want. Let's say you want say a computer training. Just type computer training image and then it will give you. And if it is graphics design image, just type it, will give you whatever image you want. Just type it on your browser and then it will give you the images. Okay, now this is where let me look for the hero image that I want. So let's say I want to design something like a supermarket for a client. So I can decide to bring it here. I can decide to bring it here. Okay, this is, but you could see that this doesn't really fit perfectly well. It doesn't really fit perfectly well. Okay, so I can't leave it like this. So what I will do is that I will now show you the trick. I will introduce that circle I mentioned earlier onto you. So where is that circle? I will go to element, and from element I will pick that circle. Now the circle is different from the one you'll see on recently used one, that the second one. No, that one has images inside it, so that's the one I'm going to use. Where is, okay, there's it, this one. So I'll click on this. So now what I need to do is just bring my image. I don't need this one. I don't know why this one is here, so I'll just delete. So what I need to do is to bring this image on top of that circle, on top. Do you see? Tara, it has given you a nice picture. Then I can now bring this one here. You can click and bring it here. Oh, you see that? That's a beautiful one, isn't it? So you can do as many things as you like. Just be creative when you are designing. You have a lot you can design with here. Okay, so I think this is the much I will be able to explain. So I have introduced you to all the features there. So just walk around them, and then you give me a beautiful design of say a training or a brand that you want to introduce. Maybe it could be, when it comes to training, it could be a graphic design training that you are trying to advertise, or a brand that you are trying to introduce. So just get creative. Whatever hero image you need, check the internet. Just type the name and then check the internet, it will give you. So when you are done, just click on this arrow that is pointing down. This arrow that is pointing down, click on it, and you can save. So when you save, it's going to save directly into your gallery, and you have it. The most interesting, the interesting part of this thing is that while it saves into your gallery, it also saves into your design bag here, in case you need that design again and you want to edit one or two things and use it for another purpose. You also have it. So it has saved, and then you can click the WhatsApp button